Hello, Conan.
Hello.
Okay, so now let's go with your test today, all right? So,
Okay.
yes, so the test today have three sections, all right? So, A, B, C. A is speaking, B is listening, and C is reading, all right? So, let's go to speaking first. So, in the speaking test, you have three parts. The first one
Yeah.
is introduction and it's for the pictures. The second one is the mini story, and the third one is presentations. All right. So now let's share something about you, the teacher.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Ngọc. You can call me Kona. I study at B as I am 10 years old and I'm grade 4. I study at Tony English School. But I, I really love spicy no beef food because it's very yummy and amazing. I also like drinking matcha latte. In my free time, I often play with my friend because because it's 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 make me excited and and my sport is swimming because it's help me swim. Now let's tell me you about my family. I have 6 people in my family. My grandpa, my dad, my mom, my sister, my little sister, and me. My family is very kind and happy. That's all about me. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you so much. So now let's look at the picture and answer some questions. All right. So are you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now, okay. So how many pictures? How many peoples are there in the pictures?
It's 4 people.
So how many cats?
It's 2 cats.
Oh, two cats. So how many
Yeah.
ducks?
It's 3 duck.
Yeah, okay. So who is sitting?
Uh, the girl,
The girl.
the
So
girl
what color is the dress that the sitting girl wearing?
is yellow.
Okay, so what color is the big girl duck?
It's it's white.
Yes, all right. And what is the boy with blonde hair doing?
What?
What is the boy with blonde hair doing?
The boy with blonde hair uh is brown.
Okay, and how is the weather?
The wear uh the weather. I know the boy blonde hair is uh stand and happy.
Okay,
Uh,
and how is the weather?
the what?
How is the weather?
The weather is blue.
Okay, the weather is blue, all right. And how about the rainbow? What color is the rainbow?
The rainbow is the rainbow is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
Okay, that's all. All right, so how many pairs are there on the tree?
Uh, Stick
Okay, six,
there.
six pairs. All right, very good. Okay, so now let's go with the mini story. So are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now let's go to the mini story of the Tony the superhero. Ooh. So
Ooh.
Tony is a chubby guy and nobody likes him much. Ooh. So,
Ooh.
is Tony slim?
No.
Is Tony chubby?
Yes.
How is Tony?
Honey, it's chubby.
Yes, very good. So, does everyone like him?
No.
Is there anyone like Tony?
No.
No, very good. Okay. So kids laugh at him and others ignore him. Ooh.
Ooh.
So do kids point at him?
No.
Do kids laugh at him?
Yes.
What do kids do?
The kids laugh at him.
So do others ignore him?
Yes.
Do others care about Tony?
No.
So what do others do?
Ignore.
Ignores him. Very good. Okay, so it feels like a fish out of water. Ooh. So
Ooh.
does feel like a fish out of water mean that you are very happy?
No.
Does feel like a fish out of water mean that you feel lonely?
Yes.
Yes, okay, you feel lonely and not related to the place, to the people, all right? So one day, Tony sees a superhero on the TV. Ooh.
Ooh.
So what does Tony see on the TV?
Tony see the superhero on TV.
Does Tony see a giant monster on the TV?
No.
No. So the hero is strong and saves everyone.
Yes.
Ooh. So is strong. Who is strong?
Superhero.
What is the antonym of strong?
Tony.
No, the antonym of strong.
Uh, Superhero is strong.
No, it's weak. Weak.
Weak.
Weak and strong. Different.
Weak.
Antonym.
Strong,
Yes.
strong, strong.
Yeah, strong and weak, right?
Strong.
Okay. So, does Tony saves everyone?
Yes. No, no.
No, not now. So, is the superhero save everyone on the TV?
Yes.
Yes, very good. All right. So, does Tony want to be like that? Save everyone?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, does he sleep a lot?
No.
Be like a superhero? No. So, does Tony runs every morning?
No. Yes.
Yes, very good. So, how many push-up, sit-up, and squats does Tony do?
Uh, Tony 100 sit up, 100 push up, 100 squat.
Is it easy for Tony?
No.
Is it tough?
Yes.
Yeah, it's tough, right?
Yes.
So, is his body strong?
No.
Is his body hurts?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, does he shout, no pain, no money?
No.
No, he shouts, no pain, no gain, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So, now let's read out loud the story for me. Okay, so here we
Okay.
go. The presentation. All right, now, let's go.
Tony the superhero. Tony is a chubby guy, and nobody likes him much. Kids laugh him, and adults ignore him. He feels like a fish out of water. One day, Tony sees a superhero on TV. The hero is strong and saves everyone. Tony wants to be like that. I can do it, he said to himself. Tony starts training here. He runs every morning. He does 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, and 100 squats. It's tough. Is his body hurt? No play, no game. He shouts.
Yes, very good job. Okay, so now let's go to listening, all right? So in the listening test, you have two parts. Part one is multiple choice and part two is matching. All right, so now let's listen for the part one. Remember, write down the answers to your notebook and take a picture for teacher later, all right? So
Nhưng mà
listen.
cô ơi, con gửi lên, con gửi đáp, con chỉ gửi đáp án chứ con chụp ảnh đâu, tại vì con không biết cách chụp ảnh.
You write to your notebook and you ask your mom or your dad or your sister, help you take a picture.
Okay.
Yes, all right. So write down in your notebooks. All right. So let's listen.
Welcome to the listening test. There are 2 parts in the test. You will hear each part twice. For each part, there will be time for you to read the questions. In part 1, you will listen and choose the correct answer, A, B, or C, for each question. Now you have 30 seconds to read through part 1.
Ôi, sao nãy chưa có?
Let's start. This is my room. There is a doll on the bed. I have many cars. I have 3 cars. They are behind the box. I also have a kite. It's red. I like flying kite. Now, listen again. This is my room. There is a doll on the bed. I have many cars. I have 3 cars. They are behind the box. I also have a kite. It's red. I like flying kite.
Okay, so do you want to listen one more time? Are you finished?
No.
No, no need. All right, so let's go to the next one.
Welcome to the
Okay, so this is the second part for you. So you listen and choose the A, B, C, D. You matching the letters with the number, all right?
Part 2. Listen carefully and choose the correct answers. Now you have to listen twice. Let's start. Lily is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree. Max is the boy who is sleeping on the grass. Alice is the girl who is painting a bee. Tom is the boy who is holding the purple ball and playing with the dog. Anna is the girl who is holding the kite. Henry is the blonde-hair boy who is holding the red car. Lucy is the girl who is reading a book under the tree. Now, you will listen again. Lily is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree. Max is the boy who is sleeping on the grass. Alice is the girl who is painting a bee. Tom is the boy who is holding the purple ball and playing with the dog. Anna is the girl who is holding the kite. Henry is the blonde-hair boy who is holding the red car. Lucy is the girl who is reading a book under the tree.
Okay, so you finished?
Yeah.
Good. So now let's move on the next one, the reading part. So in this one, you have part 1 and part 2. Part 1, you tick or cross. Part 2 is the multiple choice, alright?
Okay.
Okay, so now look at the picture and choose tick or cross. So first one, let's read the sentence for me first. Number 1, you read.
The teacher is wearing glasses.
So, tick or cross is true or false?
False.
Okay, so you write your notebook, you write reading, you write part 1, and you write 1 with tick or 1 with the cross.
Okay, okay.
Like this. Okay. Alright, you finish?
Okay, I finished.
So let's read the sentence number 2.
Okay.
There is
There is there is a fish poster on the wall.
good job. So tick or cross.
And tick.
Okay, so you write tick. 2 and
Okay,
tick.
I'm right.
Alright, so let's go with number 3. There is
a banana car on the wall.
so tick or cross.
Cross.
Okay, it's cross. So number 4.
The lamp is blue.
Tick or cross.
Uh, True. False.
Okay, so you write 4 and cross. Alright, so now let's go with part 2. Look at the pictures and choose the correct answers. Alright, so look at the picture, please. Yes, so number 1. Where is the teddy bear? Next to the bed, on the bed, or on the table?
Hey, it's next to the bear. To the bed.
Yes, you're right. Part 2,
Okay.
1A. Okay, so number 2, what color is the car?
C is gray.
Oh, it's red. You're so fast.
Okay.
Okay, so number 3, how many computers are there? 1, 2, or 3 computers?
1.
1. Very good.
Uh,
4. What is on the wall? The camera, the poster, or the mirror?
I think is I think in the
What is on the wall? Look the picture carefully. The first question. B. Okay, so you write down 4B. Okay. Write down 4B. You sure? Is B the final answers?
Is that mean wall?
Okay, you have 30 more seconds.
Okay.
Then make a decision. A, B, C.
I think
What What is on the wall? So look at the walls. What is on the wall? If there's any camera or poster or mirror.
Oh, it's the mirror.
Okay, so if the mirror, you write 4C. Okay,
Okay.
so write it
Okay.
down. So C is the final answer, right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So 4C, write down. Okay, so that's the end of your mini test today. So you did a very good job. That's right.